Alright, got kind of a fun video for you today. We're going to take a peek behind the walls of a shower in a really old house. 1920s or so it was built. Check out this tiling job. Instead of the mortar, the thin set on the back, they basically use cement. And this stuff is, these tiles are adhered basically permanently. Extremely difficult to remove. So it's certainly been a challenge for the professionals who were doing this job. Now I wanted to call your attention to this metal flexible mesh stuff you can see here. This stuff allowed the builders years ago to create contours in the wall. It basically works like a lath. You can see the concrete as they pushed it through that mesh. It squeezes through and then dries in place, allowing for a really, really hard, difficult to remove surface. So that concrete again is attached to that metal framework in the back, is my understanding of this as I look at it. A lot of the copper piping has been replaced, brand new here. So an interesting contrast between modern and vintage, but in kind of a cool visual. Check this out. And again, pretty much solid concrete, right? They didn't have all that fancy technology in the thin set years ago. So anyway, if you've ever been wondering what's behind the wall of a really old shower, that's what it looks like. Thanks so much.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.